The Clever Donkey and the Wise Businessman. Once upon a time, in a small village near a river, there lived a kind and hard-working businessman named Ravi. He earned his living by selling salt in the market. Every morning he packed heavy bags of salt on his donkey, Bolu, and they traveled together to town to sell the salt. Bolu was a strong donkey, but he didn't like carrying heavy loads. Every day, as he walked beside Ravi, he wished there was a way to make his burden lighter. One hot summer morning, as they were crossing the river, Bolu accidentally slipped on a rock and fell into the water. Ravi quickly pulled him up, worried that his salt might be ruined. But when Bolu stood up, he felt something surprising. The bags were much lighter. The salt had dissolved in the water, making his load much easier to carry. Bolu smiled to himself. That wasn't so bad, he thought. But when they reached the market, Ravi realized that much of the salt was gone. That meant he earned less money that day. The next morning, Ravi packed fresh salt and loaded it onto Bolu's back again. As they reached the river, Bolu suddenly remembered what had happened the day before. If I fall into the water again, my load will be light, Bolu thought. So, as soon as they stepped into the river, Bolu pretended to slip and fell into the water on purpose. Once again, the salt dissolved, and his burden became light. Bolu stood up, feeling proud of his clever trick, but Ravi noticed something strange. That's odd, he thought. Bolu slipped in the exact same spot again? Is he doing this on purpose? The next day, Ravi decided to test his theory. He packed fresh salt and walked with Bolu to the river. Sure enough, as soon as they stepped into the water, Bolu deliberately fell again. Ravi shook his head and smiled. You clever little donkey, you think you've outsmarted me, but tomorrow we'll see who's smarter. That evening, Ravi came up with a plan. Instead of salt, he packed the bags with sponges and loaded them onto Bolu's back. The next morning, they started their journey as usual. When they reached the river, Bolu smirked. This is going to be easy, he thought. Bolu fell into the water again, but this time something unexpected happened. The sponges absorbed water and became heavier and heavier. When Bolu tried to stand up, he could barely move. His legs wobbled and he felt exhausted. Oh no, what have I done? Bolu thought. This is much worse than carrying salt. Ravi patted Bolu's back and said, You see, my friend, tricks don't always work. Hard work is always the best way. Bolu nodded. He had learned his lesson. From that day on, he never tried to cheat again. He carried his load honestly, and Ravi took good care of him, making sure he was well fed and comfortable. And so they continued their journey together, this time with trust and honesty.
Hope you have liked this story. Like and subscribe for more such stories. See you all in next story.